Hello, I'm Roz Dupiton with At Home Downtown at Keller Williams. And today I want to share with you one of my recent finds in terms of getting the best deal on appliances locally. We had a great experience when recently replacing our washer dryer at home. We were able to get a nice refurbished unit, which was nicer than what we had budgeted for, save the environment a little bit, do our part, and contribute to getting to know this really great business. I took a little field trip. Let's go. Hi, I'm here way north of the city, an hour north to be exact, in Lake Moore, Illinois, because I have something to tell you guys about that you're going to want to know about. Only something really interesting, great, and money-saving could have me drive this far away from the city to shoot a video.
I'm Wayne with Affordable Appliances in Lake Moore, Illinois. We totally refurbish appliances from bottom to top, inside and out, and then resell them.
What's the best thing you think you have on the floor right now in terms of for city folks, things that you might not expect?
Folks, well, we do sell some high-end appliances like Viking, Wolf, KitchenAid. We do have like this commercial refrigerator that's 42-inch wide. It's got a ding in it that actually happened after it got here. This is already sold, but this is a monogram. It's actually a commercial type refrigerator because it's got the compressor on top instead of the bottom. These typically sell for $10,000. We sold this for $2,500. All of our washers are tested in every wash cycle. All dryers are checked in every cycle. We sell, one of our top selling items is the stackable washer dryers, like this one piece. We sell around 100 to 150 of these a year. These typically sell for $1,500 each. We take these in and we completely refurbish them inside and out, so they're like new. And we sell these units for $600. We have more stainless refrigerators. We have like this the hidden control dishwasher. We sell quite a few of these. And,
so I see you've got a lot of stuff on the floor here. We
don't have that much on the floor. We actually have more that we have in our inventory. We've got two 40-foot shipping containers outside in the back of our facility that are full of appliances. We have storage unit, the 10 by 30-foot storage unit that's full. We've got my garage at home, and then the shop in the back that we do all the work. So at all times, we usually have about 50 pieces in our store, maybe 40 pieces in the shop that are being worked on, and anywhere from 200 to 300 pieces in storage at any given time that we draw from if somebody's looking for something in specific.
So you guys have met Wayne, and this is Jerry.
Hi.
She's the other half of this wonderful small business. How'd you guys start doing this?
We got started in 2011 after doing storage lockers, buying and selling storage lockers. And when the shows came out, we had to make a decision as to continue to do the storage lockers or find another business to go into. So we thought, what do people need? Every house needs an appliance, whether it's washers, dryers, stoves, microwaves, refrigerators.
Church.
And we started selling to people at our church. Our main objective is to, 1, be able to be green, 2, to be able to help people, and 3, make a living. And that is what we've done. We started out of our garage with 1 appliance, stackable, 1 appliance deli, and a Jeep Cherokee Laredo. Out of that to the store, and we now outgrown the store in the last 5 years.
Okay.
Our main objective is always to help people who can't afford brand new appliances to get the best quality used appliance out there, and to save the world 1 appliance at a time.
So tell me where these machines come from. I heard about warehouse, but are they coming from homes? Where are you getting this stuff?
They also come from homes. Sometimes people who are their houses are being foreclosed on, they're going to sell their appliances. Other people donate appliances to us as well. And we also take them from landlords and refurbish them if we can. We just want to keep everything out of the landfills.
And where are we? This is going to go to city folks. I know I drove an hour to get here. Where are you relative to the city, or are you closer to Wisconsin? Where are we?
We are about 45 minutes from the Wisconsin border. However, we deliver to the 6-county area and southern Wisconsin as well. And we also repair, we come out and repair for all of our clients.
So Jerry, how do people find you? People that don't want to drive all this way, how do people find what you guys have to offer?
We advertise on Craigslist. I advertise on Facebook, some on OfferUp and Let Go, but mainly word of mouth.
So that's the story. You can save up to 75% off of retail by going with the refurbished set. And the good news is, for our peace of mind and taking a chance on a small business, we knew that there was a 90-day warranty and they would come out and fix. We've had no issues with what we purchased. So I just wanted to share with all of you this great resource for if you are looking to replace appliances in your home, as we were, or if you're looking to refresh before a sale, to put some new appliances in that will give you a better bottom line on a resale. Or if you have income property, investment property that you're renting, if something breaks and you want to replace it, this is a great source. And they will find brands, they will find models for you. If you give them the specs of what you're looking for, they can find it and save you a ton of money. So I hope you give them your business. They're not giving me anything for doing this video. I'm just really excited to share it with you because I love a small business that has great ideas and implementation. So again, I'm Roz Dupiton with At Home Downtown at Keller Williams. I hope that if you have any real estate questions, you'll give me a call or shoot me an email. In any event, I'll see you next time. Take care.